Okay, so you guys might be struggling with a couple problems on your 1.1b assignment. You probably started getting stuck at number 4. So hopefully what I'm doing right now will help you with the numbers 4 and following. So let's say you get a problem that looks something like this. You've worked it out and you got y squared equals 2x minus 4. And then you have y squared equals 2 times quantity x minus 2, because remember, you're always supposed to factor out the coefficient of your x term here. Okay? And you're really trying to get it into this form. Y minus k quantity squared equals 4p times x minus h. Okay? So maybe you're wondering, okay, so how do I turn this into that? Well, this just means that your k is 0, and you could rewrite this as y minus 0 quantity squared equals, and then of course this is your 4p, so you just set 4p equal to 2, p equals 2/4, reduce it down to 1/2, right? So that would be 4 times 1/2, that equals 2, times x minus 2. So hopefully that'll help you out with that kind of situation if you're struggling with something like that. Okay, the other situation that I'm concerned that you're going to struggle with is this. Let's say you get to the point where you have x minus 3 quantity squared equals y plus 5. And you're like, great. So I have the left-hand side of my equation looks really good, right? It's x minus h quantity squared. It's good. But on the right side, it needs to say 4p times a y minus k. Well, the problem is there's no 4 over here. So remember what I said, you always factor out the coefficient in front of the y, and in this case it's a 1. And so we're going to factor a 1 out. This is a true statement. 1 times quantity y plus 5 actually does equal y plus 5. And then now you've factored out a value. Here, I'll do a different color here. 1 can be replaced with 4p, right? So now you have your left-hand side looks right. Your right-hand side's almost there. All you have to do is say, okay, so 4p equals 1. Therefore, p equals divide 4 on both sides 1/4. And then you can finally write it as x minus 3 quantity squared equals 4 times 1/4. Which, by the way, that equals 1 times y plus 5. So hopefully that helps you out. Good luck.